Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring another original. This is going to be the Climactic Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is the left side, it's at the belt line. We're going to come in, we're going to fold it in half like so, like that. Bring it over to the center. Come across like so, around, up and over. Across like this, around, up and over like this. So we're kind of layering it like that. That's what we got so far. I'm gonna come down like this, fold it down like so. So we have this going, a Boris Mocha techniques. Then I'm gonna do a wreath right here. Have it kind of looking like that. Then I'm gonna come underneath it. And it's kind of naturally doing it, but what I wanna do is I wanna fold the top, only the top portion of it, and then bring it around like that. It should naturally do it, but if not, just fold it just a little bit, crease the top of it, bring this up top here, and if you can, get that little piece there going up. Let me put my collar down. If you like this picture, if you like this knot, go to Simmonsessentials on Instagram and see the picture of it. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch it in the next video. There you have your knot.